Hi, my name is Trey Du. I'm a support engineer here at U1 Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to set up integration groups in SmartConnect.com. To set up an integration group in SmartConnect.com, all you do is got to go to the maintenance here and then find integration groups. Once in here, you'll either see a blank screen or you'll see a couple of integration groups that you already have set up. But to create a new one, you just got to find this empty box down here and then just put it in a friendly name that you'd like to use. So I'll just use integration group test. So once you see I actually put a value in here, you can select some colors here, as this will be used later on when you are actually viewing these integration groups. So we can select some fun colors. How about just by hitting that drop down, and let's make it red. It's my favorite color. Oh, right down there, apply. So then I'll just leave the secondary color black though. All right, once you have done that, press save. Make sure all the integration groups are saved. And then once you have finally added that, if you didn't have any before, you will now be able to add your integration group to your integration. So I'll just go to this test integration here that I have, modify, and then find the options section over here. Once in there, you'll see this top field called integration group, and you'll have a drop down of all your integration groups. If you only have one, there should only be one in here. Otherwise, it'll be either none selected or the one that you just created, which integration group test is right here. So once you have this selected, all you do is have to save the integration and it will apply this, and then now your integration will have an integration group. And if I add multiple to this, you'll see multiple in this integration group. So an easy way to see is either you can go into group up here and then you can find that group that we created. So integration group test. Right there, and it'll bring up all of them in that integration group. So if I want to add maybe another one right here, you'll see there'll be two integrations in my integration group. Let me pick a different one. This one, how about? Options, integration group test, save, and then close it out. Find integration group test again. And you'll see now there are two integration groups in here. So if you don't like the grid view, we also have this list view. And you can go ahead and find all of the columns here, which you can add group by doing this. And then if you want to group on your group, I just got to drag it over here and it'll find all of your groups that we have created. And that is how you spot them like this, if you like a different view. That is just about all you need to know about integration groups, and you can switch back to the grid view and you can obviously see this is how our default grouping works. But if you have any questions about how to set up integration groups or how they are applied to integrations in general, please let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.